How to change country on Amazon Prime. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, you will have to open up your main Amazon account, since Amazon's products are all connected and we need to make the changes on our Amazon account in order to change our country on Amazon Prime. And for that, just simply open up your account, then go to the menu section, and it is at the bottom right hand side corner. Just simply click on it. After that, scroll down and you would be able to find the option of settings. Simply click on country and language and open it up. Now select the country and update it, and this way you would be able to change the country. And in some cases it will redirect you to a new page where you have to sign up again and using that country, and also update some more information about you, like your new address and all sort of details, in order to provide you better services, since we are making changes on Amazon main account. So our products that we shop from Amazon will also be delivered over there. That's why it will ask you for some more information about your new address. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.